Back in the bathroom here. So you remember our caulking the windows. We're got all our gaps filled. Everything's nice and smooth. And now we can throw some paint on there. Okie dokie. So nice, clean, and 1,000 times better than what it was before. You can also see our little spot on the wall there, that crack that we filled in, is pretty much just completely disappeared. Same thing with our one by the shower here. That is actually about to get another coat. And as you can tell, it's just, you could still see it, but it is 1,000% better than what it was. I'm cutting the pizza up there. That's waiting paint right now. And yeah, thanks for coming by, guys. Alright, back in the bathroom again. Now that we've got the trim done, or the walls done and the ceiling painted, it's time for some trim. Trim's just square stock, painted gray. Nothing big, nothing fancy, just trying to hide some mistakes. So yeah, here's that process. Gonna do corners first and then ceiling. Okay, pretty easy, pretty quick. And again, those will get filled in. Little painter's caulk, and you won't see any of the nail holes. So, yeah, that's it. Alright, so quick update on the bathroom trim. You got the shower done and in. Got that piece in, and the trim running around the outside. Yeah, bathroom window's been painted, so all the cracks and crevices are now nice and well, a lot more hidden. And yeah, just gotta throw a little painter's caulk in there and start cleaning the mess.